Hi, I'm Dr. Vito Imbasciani. I'm the Secretary of the California Department of Veterans Affairs. I want to let you know that this month, CalVet is teaming up with the California National Guard to host, for the 6th year in a row, the annual MRE Cooking Challenge at the California State Fair. It's where our bravest military chefs and their veteran sous chefs will compete right here at Cal Expo in a highly unusual culinary cook-off. We see how they're going to take a nearly impenetrable plastic bag filled with military field rations and transform it into a dish worthy of culinary acclaim. From beef stew to tasty tostadas, or plain spaghetti to pasta primavera. I hope you'll join us on July 19th at Cal Expo for the California State Fair's Military and Veteran Appreciation Day. Entry is free for all veterans and military personnel. All you do is show your military ID, your VA ID card, or other proof of military service. Whoa, I'm filming here. Anyway, see you at Cal Expo on July 19th.